Blackout Bingo chat can stop loading when the app cannot retrieve its online features, even when the rest of the game appears to work normally. By the end, you'll know how to tell whether the problem is your connection, the Blackout Bingo app, or the chat service itself. First, completely close Blackout Bingo and reopen it. On Android, open the recent app screen and swipe Blackout Bingo away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe the game away. Then launch Blackout Bingo and open the chat feature again. If chat still does not load, test your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and reopen the game. If you normally use mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi instead. If chat works on one connection but not the other, the original network is the first thing to troubleshoot. If the chat window remains blank or keeps loading on both connections, check for a Blackout Bingo update. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Blackout Bingo, and check whether an update button appears. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap your account icon, and check the available updates. Install any Blackout Bingo update and then restart the app. The next step is clearing temporary app data on Android. Open Settings, select Apps, choose Blackout Bingo, then open Storage. If your phone provides a clear cache option, use that and launch the game again. Do not select Clear Data unless you understand what it removes. Clearing stored app data can sign you out or remove locally stored information. iPhone does not provide the same Clear Cache button for individual apps. Instead, open Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Select Blackout Bingo, and check whether Offload app is available. Offloading removes the app while keeping its documents and data, after which you can reinstall the app. If chat still does not load, check whether other online parts of Blackout Bingo are working. If the game itself loads normally but chat alone remains unavailable, the issue may be specific to the chat service rather than your phone. Avoid repeatedly reinstalling the app when everything else works. Reinstalling will not fix a server-side chat problem, and you should confirm your account is properly connected before removing the app. So the main fixes are restarting Blackout Bingo, testing another network, installing the latest available update, and clearing temporary data where your device supports it. Your next step is to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, reopen Blackout Bingo, and check whether the chat window loads. If this fixed the chat problem, like the video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo fixes.